Hi, I just lather up. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At the end of January I did a video showing the condition of a vintage Wilkinson Pall Mall set, quite old, dating back to when Moses was still at school. Or to be exact, 1905 this model dates back to, according to my research. So just going back, just recapping, as I said, I did a video of this set of razors from Wilkinson to show you the condition, and this is the now restored case. If you can look back at the previous video, I think it was the 24th or the 25th of January, and this is just to protect the inside of the lid, and as you can see now, it's been fully restored. It's got a leather strap which has been coated with a red oxide. The blade holder and handle have been cleaned up. All the rust has been removed, but it's left some quite unusual patina. They are shave ready. I'm going to demonstrate a shave test now, but the most interesting part was I managed to source. Eventually, it took quite some time, and managed to source a new label. Let's pop that down there, and it's got a new Wilkinson Sword logo and a new red leather cushioned padding. Just to show you before, this is before how it was, and actually that way around, that's how it is now. So I'm quite pleased with that result, and the red leather was no problem. I got that from eBay, just offcuts, and this decal sticker came from, eventually, I tried many places, eBay, but my own little Etsy shop, Etsy member, a girl called Emma in England, and she does this magic decals, or digitals and decals on Etsy, and she was very accommodating. So good job done. So today's video we're going to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So I'll get these out. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then next week I'll, when my beard's grown a little bit more, I'll shave test the remaining 4. The strap's in a good order. You've got a strap holder there, or let's put this down. You can strap it the traditional way. This is the blade holder now, all been cleaned up. So you just unscrew this, and then this is the blade holder. Screw that into there. and then just simply slide that into there, and you can either shave with it or you can strap with it. Just go up, put your strap on the back of the door like normal, and then just strap up and down. Nice and simple. So let's get on with the shave test. I'll just put my goggles on now. I'll load this blade into the handle. Screw that back on there. So, how this works. The pivot, you can unscrew that, you can move that up and down to whatever angle you feel is more comfortable. And then there's two slots here and here. So you push the handle back like so, put your blade into those slots, and then you'll see that move. This part here will move and hold it in. You see that moving? There we go. So that's secure. That's going nowhere. I'll just relather that. Now I've got a few days growth here. It's not exactly a week, but a few days, about 4 or 5 days. And it's taken it off perfect. But I can say that that is an aggressive blade. Quite aggressive. You might be able to actually hear it cutting. Restoring these blades was quite a delicate balance because as you can see here, that was deep encrusted rust, and yes, you could get rid of that, and with a Dremel, a grinder, you can get rid of all that, but unfortunately you did take off all the letters, or the Wilkinson Sword, you can see there. You take all that off as well. So that's the lesser of the two evils, I would say. Nothing wrong with having a bit of patina. Gives that a bit of character. So that's blade one. So just to recap, you can see these two lugs here, one to push this lever back. Let's get out of the shot. Push that lever back and just lift it out. Simple as that. Get a new one into the slots, he says. And then press it in. That's it, solid. That is going nowhere. So I'll just refresh this lather. I'm talking too much, so it dries out on your skin. This particular blade, Tuesdays, is a little bit less. It's still aggressive, but less aggressive. And it still cuts through the beard. These wedge design blades are not the easiest to restore. Compared to a full hollow ground. And you have to remember that these blades were handmade in 1905. Probably by different people. So each blade will be just slightly different. Same size and weight. Let's choose this blade. See if we can get it in focus. So out with Tuesdays and with Wednesdays. Again, you can see a little bit of patina there where there used to be a rust. But then again, if I file all that off, you'll lose all this lovely lettering. So just refresh this side. So just going back to these decals, if anybody wants to do a similar restoration project, or you just need some decals for your home, I can give you direct contact to a shop, to an MS shop. She does a really good job. Some of the ideas for interiors are real cracking. You know, putting like decals up your up the stairs when you're going up the stairs, on the flat side as you're going up the stairs. People put decals there, all different designs. Or on your walls in your car. Anyway, but I struggled at first because most people who manufacture decals, they want minimum orders, like 3,000 orders, where my requirement were more, it was more bespoke. And she's not expensive either, really good prices. So if I can put a little bit of business her way, the job's a good one. There we go. So that's a lovely little Wilkinson Pall Mall set dating back to 1905 and brought back to life again for another 100 years or so. Okay, have a good weekend. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll probably do the remaining shape test on Monday or Tuesday of next week. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye.